Hello, hello. We are here back at the computer, back at CodePen, taking a look at the HTML comment tag. I've received a couple of messages from students asking, hey, how do you make a comment tag? And why would you do that? I'm gonna make this video here specifically to show you how to do that. The comment tag is an HTML tag. It's a special HTML tag. It looks like this: start bracket, end bracket. I'll go in here and put in an exclamation point and 2 dashes, put in a space, and I'll put in another 2 dashes. So this is the comment tag. This key combination, the exclamation point and 2 dashes, get attached to this first bracket. And then these 2 dashes get attached to this end bracket. And the comment is simply anything that is in between the dashes. Okay, so this is an HTML comment tag. So what is a comment tag? A comment tag is a tag that lets you write a note of any kind of information or content. It can be human language, it can be a piece of code, it can be anything of any length. And the benefit of the HTML comment tag is that this tag doesn't affect the output of the page in any way. So if I write some other HTML, you can see that the H1 and the P are producing something to show up on this web page. The comment tag, it's like an invisible secret message that does not show up on the web page. However, other designers and programmers and people who, look at code will see the comment tag, and you can communicate to those people. Sometimes that person is yourself. Sometimes you're working on a web design and you need to leave a note for yourself so that you remember what you were thinking or what you're doing or what you are trying to do or something. The comment tag is great for that. It's great if you are working on some designs and you are going to involve some other people. You can write some notes, put them in an HTML comment tag, and communicate to those other people who might not have access to you when they do have access to your design, right? So leave people notes so that they know what you're doing or how you're doing it or why you're doing whatever you're doing. And you can put these HTML comments anywhere. So I can put one here. Be a note to yourself. You can put it right in the middle of some content. Okay, so as you can see here, I've written additional comments inside of the paragraph text at the end of the H1 headline, and nothing shows up here in the output. So the comment tag is invisible to the final product of your design. The browser looks at this comment tag. Once it sees that, it starts doing nothing, and it keeps doing nothing until it recognizes the end of the HTML comment tag, and then it resumes to business as usual. Okay, so that is the HTML comment tag in a nutshell. You're encouraged to use the comment tag to write notes to yourself so that you can remember what you are learning or what you are doing or what you are attempting with your design. Also, if you're working on an assignment, it's great to leave comment tags to communicate, what you're trying to accomplish and how what you're doing addresses the assignment. So that is all for this video and for the HTML comment tag. Looking forward to seeing your comments in HTML comment tags.